are lots of different ways people manage their debt. The debt snowball and the debt avalanche are two popular options. Which one is right for you? This is, however, not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. With any debt repayment method, you pay the minimum amount on all of your debts and focus all of your additional payments onto a debt or group of debts based on the method you choose. This is more efficient than just throwing money across all of your debts. The snowball method means that you take on your smallest debts first. If you are the sort of person that will look around at the housework that needs doing and pick the easiest thing first, then this is a similar approach. It's a simple method. Just line up all of your debts in order of value, smallest to biggest, and then focus your payments in that order. The debt avalanche method means that you focus on the debts with the highest interest rates instead. So this time you would lay out your debts in order of interest rate, forgetting the value for now, and focus your payments in that order. So that's how they work. What are the benefits of each method? The biggest advantage of the snowball method is your motivation. It's easier to pay off the smallest debt, so you hit that target quicker. Paying into debts and feeling like you're making no difference at all is difficult, and that's how the snowball method can help. It's also very easy to see the order of debts you should focus on and get started. As for the avalanche method, the advantage here is that you're paying your debts off with the interest in mind, which means you should pay less in total. It should also get you debt-free quicker because you won't have minimum payments that are stacked higher and higher due to high interest rates. If it's the best option for getting debt-free quickly and the best option for paying the least interest, why would you pick the snowball method? The main drawback of the avalanche method is simply the discipline needed to keep going. It can be a big mental challenge to keep chipping away at high debt and only paying the minimum amount on smaller debts. This is a situation where you can really feel like you're not getting anywhere at first. So although financially speaking, the avalanche is the better method on paper, when it comes to picking which option is really right for you, it comes down to you as a person. If you keep a meticulous budget and have strong willpower and discipline, then perhaps the avalanche is the best for you. If you're likely to throw in the towel if it gets tough and just want to start seeing results as quickly as possible, then perhaps the snowball is right for you. Let me know in the comments if you have a favourite system you use for paying off debts. And don't forget to subscribe to see more. Bye!